Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday in the sun from tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday in the sun from tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sister Day is July 3. Our birthday is going to the beach, but look at the clouds. Pero uulan talaga, pero kine-check naman ni Michael yung weather, uulan this time, but later harap pa rin kami. So, he is 53-year-old this year. The next month naman sa akin, then Santino, sunod-sunod lang kami ng month. Michael is July, me is August, Santino is September. Sunod-sunod lang kami ng birthday. So, nanood pa siya ng TV. So, dito na tayo sa may river. Karabas ko lang. Pagdating namin galing tayo kahapon. Ang dami. Tingnan ko ng TikTok kahapon. Ngayon, umulan. Ako, start ng umulan, maybe later na siguro kami aalis, no? Dito muna ako dito. So, matagal kami natulog kagabi. Siguro, ako madaling araw na matulog kasi inantay namin yung time na alas 12 na, alas 12. Kaya, binabati namin siya. Inantay ko talaga yung oras na lakad ako dito. So, ito nga yung wearing ko papuntang dagat. Saka, maliligo ng dagat. Pero yan, naka-make up, ang laki ng hikaw, naka-necklace. So, nagpalinis din ako ng ng ngipin kahapon. Dito lang nilinisan sa may baba. Tapos babalik, ang sobrang laki ng bayad. Tapos next week naman dito sa taas. Naku, ang laki ng bayad kahapon na almost, hapit na mag-almost 50,000 iskot. Then another na naman sa next week. Tapos next week sa pa-check up rin kami sa mata. Kami dalawa ni Michael. Next si Santino, dadalhin namin siya doon sa sa pang kids talaga na doktor. Ngayon ako na feel ko na mula na. So that's it, guys. Happy Friday. It's a Friday, baby. So that's it, guys. Bye.